Machinery provides all the machinery and equipment to construct a professional feed factory which will operate with a smaller capacity and very suitable cost benefits. The entire capacity for a complete facility is 1.5 tons per hour in the average. The products in the feed ration are placed into the raw material hole and are carried to 6 separate silos via spirals. The number and the dimensions of the silos may be customized according to the customer demands. 2 horizontal U-shaped spirals load the product automatically. Input entry for the contents of the ration that will be prepared are delivered to the system from the panel. The system is then initiated and the raw materials with the chosen amounts will respectively be received beginning from the first silo until the 6th silo. The operation process for the spirals are maintained via the processing of the indicator in the panel. Raw materials such as barley, corn, wheat, oil cake and soya beans that are included in the contents of the compound feed are mixed according to their provided ratios. Following completion of the first dosing process, the pneumatic valve is opened automatically and the product is released to the bunker in one lower level. The upper dosing bunker becomes ready to process another raw material intake. Having been dosed, the product is carried to the pressing bunker via the spiral and a second dosing process automatically continues. The products such as bran, vitamins, salts and marble dust, which do not require pressing, are added to the contents from the lid above the mixer. Thanks to the special design of the coiled spiral of the mixer, a homogeneous mixture initiation process is maintained in order to decrease the load on the mixer engine at the instant of starting out the process. After obtaining an ideally processed mixture within a 5 minutes period, the powder feed, if needed, is loaded onto the bunker to be delivered to the pelletizing band. The product is carried to the upper bunker of the pellet via the spiral. Number of rounds per unit, time of the carrying spiral is adjusted via the speed control system. The product that is loaded to the conditioner is tempered by dry steam. Depends on the contents of the product, therefore the amount of the steam is adjusted manually. The rolls and the discs that will be used during pelletizing machine, which operates with discs and rolls, achieve maximum efficiency by consuming the minimum amount of energy. The pelletized product is carried to the cooling fridge over a Z conveyor belt. The cooling unit is composed of the cooling fridge, the cyclone and the fan. The heat over the pellet within the cooling fridge is carried away from the medium via the reverse airflow created by the fan. The time during which the pellet will stay in the cooling fridge is determined via 2 sensors. The cooled product is dropped onto the vibrating sieve that operates in one lower level via the movement of the triple grid system, and the shifting process is fulfilled in here. The percentage amount of dust within the pellet is about 2 or 3%. The product that will be sacked is carried to the upper bunker panel in the packaging unit. When a sack is positioned across the mouth of the packaging exit, the switch button is pressed to begin the process. When the desired weight for the sack, the mouth of the sack is being stitched, either manually or automatically. It is made ready for finally your solution partner in pellet and powder feed production.